Hey, my friends, I, Abhinav and Rakesh, sir, welcome you all on one of the largest session for civil engineers, guys, where we both will be telling you that how a student, whether he is average or below average or above average, can score more than 75 plus marks in GATE 2022. And guys, we are not taking this session on 25th of December. We are taking this session on 13th of this June, 6 p.m. So that is quite possible, and we both will make it possible and give you the complete guidelines that how it will be possible. Over to you, Rakesh, sir.
Yes, guys. So, sir, very well said and very good evening, students. So, sir clearly specified that 13th June or mid of the June, you can say, जहाँ पे approximately 7.5 months. क्या 7.5 months पे is 75 marks को can we make it possible? Okay, that is an effort of 10 marks per month. That is quite possible. An effort of 10 marks per month is quite possible. So, we are at a position that 75 plus is possible. Okay. फ्री का नहीं है वो, it is possible and you have to make it possible, but how to make it possible, from which subject you have to extract how much and how much time you have to devote. Okay, and especially your civil engineer favorite Abhinav sir will also give you the lot of technical insights also into this session. I will be here to talk about non-technical and general strategy because I've been a gate topper. So anyhow we both are going to help you in deciding and choosing your correct path for the remaining 7.5 months, because February 1st weekend, February 2022 first weekend, your gate examination is going to be there. So 7.5 months ही है पूरा बेटा. Okay, एकदम जी जान से लग जाना है. And if you start preparing for now, still 75 plus is possible. मैं आपको बता दूं, I kept on telling you, maybe अगर आपने मेरा कोई पहला सेशन किया है, I started my preparation somewhere around mid-July. ओके, मिड जुलाई से भी थोड़ा 2-4 दिन आगे हो गया था. एग्जैक्ट तारीख तो याद नहीं रखी थी, तब पता नहीं था कि रैंक आ जाएगी, नहीं तो मोहलत पहले से ही निकाल लेते. सो अराउंड मिड जुलाई यू कैन फील दैट आई स्टार्टेड माय प्रिपरेशन 1 month लेटर. ओके, एंड माय मार्क्स वाज एग्जैक्ट 75. सो नाउ यू ओनली डिसाइड, इज इट पॉसिबल 75 प्लस और नॉट? Definitely possible. Abhinav sir, back to you.
Yes. So, guys, please, everybody, like and share the session to every group in whatever you are, so that maximum people can get benefited. And whatever me and Rakesh have made the proper analysis of this session, guys, so everybody can get benefited. Guys, ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं और कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. उससे पहले lots of effort have been done in the back end, not only by faculties but every team. But if I talk about this particular session, guys, we have done at least 90-minute discussion before making each and every point in this PPT. And after that, every discussion, guys, we are here and we'll be telling you guys the complete step by step, 20 marks, 30 marks, 40 marks, 45 marks, 58 marks, 75 marks. Or guys, the session is 75 plus. 75 का तो हम आपको शॉर्ट रास्ता दिखाएंगे. वो क्या है रास्ता, what is that pathway we'll be telling you. और प्लस में आप कहां तक जाते हैं, guys, that depends on you. Because guys, many people will be watching this session. Many of the when we are teaching on offline, then also guys, many of the students have been taught by us, but not everybody gets good rank. Some of them good rank, some of them get average rank as well, and some of them got not very good rank as well. So everything is not depending on only us, but it will be a mutual, guys. Let's see how much effort you will be doing before going forward, guys. Please share the session to everybody and like it, so that maximum people can get benefited. Guys, if you're filling for CCMT, guys, the session has been just taken on GradeUp. You can see this and see it before filling the form, so that you can be benefited. Guys, GATE has 65 question, 100 marks, 3 hours. These kind of things we are not telling here. That everybody knows it, guys. We are going into much deeper here. 65 questions. Question will be MCQ, MSQ, and NAT. MSQ and NAT will be no negative marking. Last year MSQ will be less. Every year MSQ will be increasing, like NAT. When NAT was introduced 6 years back, initially NAT were very few. Gradually it will increase. Same MSQ last year were very less, but hopefully it will be increasing in coming years. These kind of things we are not going to tell you. We are going to tell you much more deeper. So everybody write on the comment box, are you ready, guys? Are you ready, commandos? Everybody, please let me know on the comment section. Then we will be moving forward. And everybody, please share the session. Over to you, sir.
Yes, guys. So are you ready for this 75 plus approach? Because your enthusiasm is highly appreciated. अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा strength कम है, तो students, come on, everybody share this session, guys, because we know it's not easy to get 75, but it's possible. ठीक है, पर सुनोगे, समझोगे, strategy बनाओगे, तभी हम कुछ possible कर पाएंगे. So guys, you can feel that first of all, this pattern everyone knows. That is why just sir gave you an overview. Rather than the pattern everyone knows, but actually what is the syllabus? That also everyone knows. So we are not going to talk about syllabus, but we are going to talk about उस syllabus में क्या important है, क्या difficult है, क्या easy है. That if you know, then you are able to conquer the competitive examination, right? That is very important. So guys, my personal experience, because my preparation time was only around 6 to 7 months. अभी मैंने बोला I started from mid-July. Almost till November mid, I completed around 8 subjects. 2 subjects मैंने छोड़ दिए थे कि last में देखना, because it was third year ना. Third year में तो it was trial. So I left the 2 subjects. I thought I will do it at the last. Okay, December तक revision भी हो गया. So I thought, अब क्या करें, कितनी बार रिवाइज करें, बोर हो जाएंगे. So I thought the subjects which I left, let's hit on that subject. How I studied those 2 subjects, na guys, I just took the previous year papers and then decided the important topics, okay, most important topics, and focus more there. Because of course, end में 2 पूरे subjects full detail में तो possible नहीं होता है. But trust me, that helped me a lot. Okay, and 2 subjects I managed based on the strategy only. What is more important according to previous year, I focus more there, little bit topics just go through. So similarly, you have to keep a smart approach right now. Okay, gate तो आपको syllabus लिख के दे देगा. Okay, of course 100% syllabus cover होना चाहिए. Okay, but every time in a syllabus, like yesterday also I took a session on the YouTube where I was talking about maths and aptitude strategy specifically. Maths का syllabus भी बहुत बड़ा होता है. Okay, I will teach everything in the class and I will ask the students to learn everything. But you know, there are 40-50% topics which just have to go through. उसमें आपको research करना ही नहीं है, उसमें आपको practice भी नहीं करना है. Go through means only class questions are sufficient, class notes are sufficient. Rest 50% you need to go for extra practice. If you don't know this much, आप practice करते जाओगे unimportant area पे, easy area में, क्योंकि आपको मजा आएगा. Students, you know, students where they enjoy, they try to practice more. No. We will put our expert advice ki where to practice more and what is just go through is sufficient. Abhinav sir.
Okay, guys, first of all, before telling you step-by-step process to reach that magical number 75 plus, guys, yes, of course, you should be focused. Okay, syllabus you have to taken care of. You should be knowing the boundary of syllabus. We'll be coming it in later. But let me tell you guys, before I have distributed, in fact, we both have distributed subjects in concept versus concept plus. What is this concept plus, guys? The subjects, and I have not distributed in concept plus, all the 16 subjects of, guys, civil engineering syllabus, not in concept plus, 3 types I have distributed. 3 types I have distributed these subjects. One is this distribution, guys. This is one of them. Okay. Then, guys, one is compact versus vast, less syllabus versus more syllabus. What is concept and concept plus, that I will be telling you guys. And third is dependent and independent. Dependent means those subjects, before going to study that particular subject, guys, we have to study some basic subjects or some other subjects that are required for that. And then independent subjects means you can read it anytime, anywhere, without any prior knowledge of any other subjects. So these 3 categories we'll be telling you. Of course, Rakesh sir will be telling you in non-technical part, majorly maths and aptitude, and I will be quickly going through the technical part. First of all, concept plus. Sir, we have understood compact syllabus versus vast syllabus. Sir, we have understood third type also, dependent and independent. What is concept and concept plus? What is this category? हम समझेंगे तो बाद में ना. पहले ये तो समझे, what is this concept and concept plus, guys? Let us see. Concept subjects means in those subjects in which if I know the concepts, everything is fine. I will be hitting that question very hard. And in concept plus means that not only concept, but some other data, right? IS code for RCC steel, anything, or some design specifications or some values have to be remembered. Guys, it is same like concept I can say as maths and physics. If you know the concepts, guys, then you'll be hitting those questions very hard in your 12th class or whatever. But in chemistry, guys, to be very, very frank, not only concepts, but little other things are also required, like exceptions, like some diameter of radius or atomic number or atomic mass of any value like that. Are you agreeing on me? First of all, you tell me, have you understood this category? Concept and concept plus. Concept means those subjects in which you only need concepts and you'll be hitting that code, those subjects. Okay, like maths and physics. And concept plus means, yes, concepts are required. They are also conceptual subjects. But much more important. Concepts are important, and other datas are also important in those subjects. So this is the category. So red color subjects are concepts, in which if you are getting the concepts, it's absolutely fine. And concept plus means some extra things are also required, like RCC and steel. Some codal values have to be required. Minimum grade of concrete in seawater, if we have to do construction in seawater, is M30 or M35. So that value has to be remembered, na? So guys, these RCC steel and some irrigation, also some values, environmental engineering, some design specifications of tank and other things. Building materials is I think concepts are less, and some ratne wala cheez are more, cramming things are more. So these that are written with black colors are the subjects in which we have to focus, yes, on concepts, but other things. But red subjects like engineering math, aptitude, engineering mechanics, strength of material, fluid mechanics, serving hydrology. If we are knowing the concepts, guys, then most of the questions we are hitting it on, guys. Over to you, Rakesh sir. If anything you would like to add for aptitude and maths, yeah.
Yes. So maths and aptitude, anyways, there is a very less part of the theory. Okay. Also, it's mostly concept and question practice. The theory को तो हम ज़्यादा बिल्कुल बोलते ही नहीं है. Even if you know some people think that for verbal you have to learn the theory or you have to ratify something. No, guys. Verbal के लिए मैं एक ही चीज बोलूँगा. Right, because it's a crucial part of aptitude, around 5 to 6 marks on an average you expect from verbal. One thing I will tell you कि जिनका verbal means basic English, and if you are good at English from the school time, okay, so कई लोग होते हैं ना 20-30% engineers might be there जो बहुत अच्छे English medium से पढ़ के आए हैं, they are good at English, they are good at grammar, they are good at spoken English, ठीक है, they have the reading of habit of reading the newspapers daily like the Hindu, मैं ये बोल रहा कि हिंदू जैसा ही अच्छा पेपर हो, but any English newspaper, okay, like Times of India or Chronicles or whatever you are studying, or you are reading novels, some habit you have, then verbal only you need to solve previous year question, nothing else you have to study. Okay, nothing else you have to study. Okay, so it's not like a theoretical subject where you have to mug up the things. Okay, और अगर आपको लगता है कि verbal is not good, then you know whatever classes Grade Up Super is going to bring you, yeah, we will bring it on the Grade Up YouTube also. Okay, because अगर किसी का अच्छा नहीं है ना अंग्रेजी, तो don't think कि आप 7 महीने में research करोगे. Yes, you can do research, but if you try to study in detail verbal, if zero knowledge right now verbal, and if you want to study in detail, then what might happen, let me tell you, maybe an important subject like structural engineering, civil के बात करें, आपने पूरा miss कर दिया, आपको time ही नहीं मिला, because you went on spending the time with verbal. How much mark for verbal? 5 mark. How much mark of structural या steel? Abhinav sir आपको अच्छे से बताएंगे अभी. So don't compromise technical. Okay, ठीक है. और तब भी गारंटी नहीं है कि आप पूरा 6 महीने में अच्छे से English पढ़ लो and then you are getting 5 out of 5. No. But yeah, if you follow some live classes and if you follow previous year questions, और एक routine बना लो कि daily 5 questions of vocabulary you will learn. Daily 5 questions, not a very big deal. Learn vocabulary 5 question daily. Then still out of 6 marks, 4 marks तब भी आ जाएंगे. तो जब 4 mark वैसे ही आसानी से आ जाएंगे, because you know the level of English is actually very easy. Very easy. That is why I told those who are very good in the English from the basic childhood only, they don't need to study anything separately. Only practice previous year question. वो भी मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ just to get the idea of the question. Okay. So जिनको नहीं भी आता, थोड़ा बहुत effort से जब already 4 marks you can get, तो why to go for the very detailed effort? Be honest and be focus more on the technical. Okay.
Yes.
So theoretical part नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's mostly concept in maths and aptitude. Concept and question practice.
Yes. So if I go with the next category, guys, compact versus vast. So the subjects that are written with green color, guys, like aptitude, engineering mechanics, surveying, hydrology, transportation, building material, per CPM, irrigation are having very less syllabus. Okay, so of course you are not giving the same amount of time to the strength of materials and to irrigation. Of course the syllabus is having difference. Even not only the syllabus, but the weightage, the number of marks in the exam are also having different. Okay, and most of the times, except some few exceptions like structural analysis and steel, if the syllabus is more, then it is weightage is more, and syllabus is less, then weightage in GATE in exam is less. So the subjects like, again, I'm saying transportation, building material, per CPM, irrigation, hydrology, surveying, engineering, mechanics, and aptitude are having less syllabus. Guys, let me tell you very, very frankly, I don't know if you are agreeing with this or not. Suppose a student who is not knowing anything, who is just passed out from 12th and has taken admission in civil engineering first year. Guys, let me tell you, surveying, hydrology, let me tell you, there is no, I'm not saying anything badha chadha ke, not any Atishakti Lankar. In 7 to 8 days, he can complete this, and this subject, guys, from zero level. They are not having huge amount of syllabus. Yes, the subjects in civil are too much as compared to other branches, but few of them are very, very small, like these green ones. And red ones like environmental engineering, RCC, steel, structural analysis, geotechnical, fluid mechanics, and strength of material, you have to give a bigger amount of time there. Okay, so of course these subjects, guys, let me tell you, 7 to 8 days or max 15 days you are covering these subjects. Okay, but yes, this strength of material, fluid mechanics, they will be taking 20 days, 25 days, 18 days, like that. Okay, Rakesh sir, you want to tell anything about maths
Yes.
and aptitude here?
So aptitude is relatively, very small portion, and aptitude verbal के लिए मैंने आपको already technique बता दिया. So if I talk about quant and reasoning now, I have two different criteria. दो suggestions है मेरे पास. Suppose if you are a student of any class, any paid classes, है ना, whatever it may be. So you will get the aptitude content there. Okay, suppose you are a grade up super student only. So if you are a grade up super or any other paid platform student where you will get the aptitude, study only the live class. Okay, and little bit of practice, aptitude finish. No more extra effort. Okay, because aptitude क्या है यार, 10वीं 12वीं तक का मैथ्स ही तो है. 12वीं भी नहीं है, 10वीं तक का मैथ्स है. 12वीं तो इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स में आ जाता है. It's just the school level 10th class maths. You need to revise the concept and practice little bit, and questions are very simple. Acha, if you are not attending any of the classes, if you are relied on books, okay, then if you are relying on the books also na, for aptitude, or let me tell you, you don't have to reserve 5 days or 7 days or 10 days for aptitude. Maybe it is small, but still I will tell you, don't give 5 complete days. वो end में ना 5 दिन भारी पड़ेंगे. What I can tell you can, it's not a technical subject which requires continuity. The best way is, if you are studying from books or from notes, the best way is daily 30 to 45 minutes. Practice any one short topic, any one concept, solve the questions on that, और ये daily का routine बना लो. Daily 45 minutes maximum, 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, if you are doing the studies from the books for aptitude, more than sufficient. Okay, इससे क्या होगा? Because your day, full day you are studying technical, your brain may be exhausted sometimes, क्योंकि technical में बहुत भारी भारी चीजें पढ़ते हो आप लोग. Okay, so it will be just a refreshment also. मजा आएगा थोड़ा सा. Simple सा 10th की मैथ्स कर रहे हैं, profit loss के क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, log के क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. It will be a fun for you. Brain will be refreshed, and at the same time your time is utilized rather than 30-45 minutes going and wasting time on television or Netflix, Amazon Prime. क्योंकि Netflix और Amazon Prime ऐसी चीज होती है कि आप सोच के जाओगे 30 minutes, but maybe you are ending 3 hours. That is wastage. ठीक है, लेकिन पढ़ाई कभी ऐसी नहीं होती. आप 30 मिनट सोच के जाओगे, 30 कर लिया तो बहुत है आपके लिए. So that will not be a time waste. It will be a time utilization. So aptitude, don't give 5 days, don't give 7 days, don't waste your time for 5-7 days. Daily 30 to 45 minutes, make a habit. एकदम ठीक है, एकदम ऐसा ही करना है. Right? Yeah. So Aishwarya sir is here. I think I'm very good, Aishwarya sir. I'm very good.
Okay. So welcome, Aishwarya sir. So now Gagandeep, I'm fine. Now after this, guys, dependent guys, to be going very fast here, then I'm going to that 75 plus strategy. Okay, that magical number, how to achieve, like in Lok Sabha na, like in parliament, the magical number is I think around 270 275, something like that, to win. Okay, so how to get that magical number, we are just starting in next couple of days, guys. Now couple of minutes, please share it with your friends, guys. Now independent guys, all these green subjects are independent. That means you can read it any point of time, whether the third subject of yours it is, whether it is your fifth subject, whether it is your seventh subject, they are all independent. Okay, surveying you can learn any time. No any prior knowledge, no any prior concept is required, and not for hydrology as well, not for geotechnical. Yes, geotechnical, one topic like shear strength, little bit knowledge of SOM is required, but that is very small fraction as compared to the whole big syllabus of this. So I'm not going for there. Environmental, these are all almost independent, but yes, RCC, guys, if you want to know, the BMD will be used many times. Bending moment diagram, maximum bending moment, pure shear case in shear reinforcement. So that is totally directly related to, guys, it will be directly related to here for SOM subject, strength of material. That is in some of the states are also written as most mechanical solid. Steel is also plastic analysis. You will get a better idea if you are knowing that subject, that is strength of material. And also, guys, structural analysis is completely RCC and steel na, part or a fraction of part is related to strength of materials, but structural analysis is completely application part of strength of material. Now how to get that 75 plus marks, that me and Rakesh sir will be telling you, and step by step, 10 marks, 25 marks, 35 marks, 40 marks, reaching that 75 plus. We are not saying that exactly 75, but 75 plus. That depends on your hard work, guys. None of you, if you are watching this session around 15 times, you're not getting 75 plus. We are just giving you the way. उस रास्ते पे चलना आप ही को है. हम आपको स्ट्रेटेजी बताएंगे, उस स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो आप ही को करना है। मैथ्स में या टेक्निकल में टीचर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बताएंगे, प्रैक्टिस आप ही को करना है। हम आपको एक दिशा दिखा सकते हैं, उस दिशा में चलना आप ही को है। हम आपको बता सकते हैं कि यहां वहां नहीं भटकना, आपको यहां वहां नहीं जाना, ये ध्यान आप ही को रखना है दोस्तों, हमको नहीं। तो बिल्कुल ये कंबाइंड एफर्ट रहने वाला है, और मैं ये बिल्कुल समझता हूं दैट फ्रॉम योर साइड आल्सो दैट वी विल बी गेटिंग द कंप्लीट सपोर्ट इन दिस। Guys, up to here, 3 types we have distributed the subjects. Now we are going to the 75 plus strategy. For that, everybody is here, guys. Please share the session, like it, so maximum number of people will be getting here. First of all, we'll start with Rakesh sir, the non-technical subjects of civil engineering, and then we'll be going to 75 plus. And let me tell you all, Rakesh sir teaches non-technical of every branch as well, but he is equally expert in electronics as well, guys. All India rank 9 in electronics in third year, guys. Third year, और अभी वापस से third year खुल गया है. So you can be another Rakesh sir, guys, and many of you will be Rakesh sir. Okay, Rakesh sir, yes.
Yes, guys. So third year में अच्छे से क्रैक करना है, बिल्कुल. So guys, you know the reason why I am here is, आप लोग पहले सोच रहे होंगे civil engineering में what Rakesh sir is doing, but yeah, let me tell you guys, maths and aptitude, you know the weightage of maths is fixed as 1/3 marks. Okay, unfortunately I'm not able to come to the smart board because of some electricity issues right now, तो मैं थोड़ा और अच्छे से बताता, but फिर भी देखो, 13 marks is maths, okay, fixed from gate 21, and aptitude is as always fixed 15 marks and 28. Now out of 100, 28 is a very good portion, okay, और उस 28 में से ही अगर आप 28 या at least 25 ले आओ, तो see how the 75 plus target 1/3 is achievable from maths and aptitude, and that is the reason why I am here, because 75 लाना है. And the important thing about the gate examination is they are not having any individual cutoff. ऐसा नहीं कि टेक्निकल में से इतना लाना कंपलसरी है, और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैथ्स में एप्टीट्यूड में से इतना लाना कंपलसरी है. इट इज द टोटल स्कोर आउट ऑफ द 100 दैट इज गोइंग टू मैटर. ओके, तो यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई योर स्किल्स एंड मैक्सिमाइज. नाउ you know, keeping track कि आपको टेक्निकल भी करना है, कॉलेज गोइंग भी करना है. ओके, सो you know it is still possible in maths and aptitude to go for 28 out of 28, and yesterday itself I conducted a session on this, how to score 28 out of 28 in this particular session. और कल के सेशन में मैंने बहुत डिटेल में बात किया था, आज इतना डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे. If anyone wants a detailed syllabus of maths and aptitude, वो मेरा कल वाला सेशन देख सकते हैं, because there I talk with respect to syllabus, what is important, किसको neglect करना है, किसको पढ़ना है. But on an overview, let me tell you कि if you systematically study these two subjects, okay, कोई और ब्रांच होती ना, suppose if it is EC electrical, okay, just a simple systematic study, I will suggest them 23 marks around. But civil का maths ना थोड़ा आसान होता है. It's an observation that the maths in civil, even Abhinav sir knows this fact, the maths in civil is relatively easier, लट्टू आता है, as compared to the other branches like mechanical, electronics, electrical. That's a fact. Okay, so being civil engineering students, the minimum easy marks that you can score is, अच्छा देखो, ये मत सोचना कि why not 28. What me and Abhinav sir are telling you now, all 3 sessions, we are telling you the cutoff. See, GATE does not have a cutoff. Okay, GATE does not have a cutoff. अब आप ये सोचोगे सर 28 पॉसिबल नहीं है. 28 is also possible. That is why I conducted the yesterday session. Otherwise, I will not be conducting. But you know what we are telling you, me and Abhinav sir in this session, is the cutoff. Gate में cutoff नहीं होता, but हम cutoff decide करेंगे कि if you want to get 75, if you want to get the 75, it is only possible if you clear our cutoffs. And the cutoff for maths and aptitude non-technical is 25. Abhinav sir लिख दीजिए वहां पे, cutoff को लिख दीजिए. Guys, I am telling you the cutoff. Maximum can be the sky. हम 75 प्लस का सेशन बना रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स 85 90 भी लाएंगे ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 के साथ. ओके, बट इफ यू वांट टू बी 75 प्लस, द मिनिमम कट ऑफ इज 25 प्लस. ओके, इतना आना ही चाहिए, 25 और मोर देन दिस. तो 75 प्लस में से 25 प्लस इज हैज टू बी अचीव्ड फ्रॉम मैथ्स एंड एप्टीट्यूड. एप्टीट्यूड का तो मैंने आपको ट्राई का बता ही दिया. वर्बल आल्सो आई टोल्ड, एंड रीजनिंग एंड क्वांट आल्सो आई टोल्ड. मैथ्स, now maths, don't give maths like 30 minutes 40 minutes daily time. Maths is a vast subject. Aptitude was in compact list, but maths is vast. Approximately you can feel that maths is 75 to 80 hours even in the online. Means more than 100 hours of offline content, you can feel that. Okay, and hona bhi chahiye because it is 1/3 marks. Okay, there are various chapters. Actually syllabus बहुत huge है. Whenever you talk about calculus, only calculus, you have differential calculus, integral calculus, vector calculus, then linear algebra, then you have the numerical methods, then you have complex. अच्छा, complex is not there in the civil syllabus. ये आपके लिए एक benefit है. Gate में नहीं है, ESE में तो पूछा जाता है. Complex functions is not there. ये मैंने कल भी आपको बताया था. But then a big chapter like probability, distributions, random variables, everything you have to cover. Differential equations से question आता है. So maths whatever classes you are following, okay, please follow the classes. There are 3 sources of maths practice. Follow the class and class question, number 1. Okay. Follow the previous year question of all branch. ध्यान देना. Previous year question का ये मतलब नहीं कि you will solve only civil. Civil के तो करोगे, it will be very easy. But क्या होगा ना? Out of civil paper is easy for maths, but there will be one question which is good. You have to have a habit of scoring the good questions also. So when you solve the previous year questions of all branches, EC, electrical, mechanical, syllabus, तो 99% maths का same ही है. Okay. You will feel that a single chapter like linear algebra, you are getting around 350 to 400 questions to practice. बहुत है. First practice all the class questions and class notes. Previous year question all branches minimum 15 साल के, minimum 15 years, all branches compulsory. ठीक है, not only civil, all branches compulsory. And third source of practice is online test. Okay. Go for the topic wise and full length test. Full length means subject test of the mathematics. That also will give you. अगर आप सारे topic के बहुत सारे test कर लोगे, join at least 2 test series. Okay. Solve topic wise and subject test of maths. At least you will get 500 to 1000 questions there only. So this much practice is sufficient. इससे ज़्यादा time waste होगा. Okay. So class questions, previous year questions and test sufficient for maths. Okay. 25 is the my cutoff. Okay. कि 25 अगर 75 सोचना है तो 25 यहाँ लाना जरूरी है, नहीं तो वहाँ पे कटौती हो जाएगी. Otherwise you will you'll be falling short there. So you should not fall out of short out here. 25 तो होना ही चाहिए.
Okay. So sir has told about out of 28 marks, guys, this is 25. First of all, let me clear it very, very clearly that this 28 marks is fixed now. Rakesh sir, from this year it is fixed now?
Yeah, from GATE 21 it is fixed. Aptitude to 2010 से fix है, but from GATE 21 IIT Bombay did one good thing. Maths is now 136.
Okay. Okay. So guys, those who are preparing now, because we are teachers now, so we are from 2011-10, we are continuously in this field. Okay, so guys, that time maths was never most of the people are saying it is 15 marks, but sometimes it is coming of 15 marks, sometimes lesser as well.
No, so that time it was actually IIT also will clearly specify approx 15. कभी भी उन्होंने 15 नहीं बोला था. In the brochures they are clearly writing approx 15 and very rarely they are asking for 15. Mostly 10, 11, 12 marks mostly. Okay,
yes, mostly 10, less than 15
is good weightage. और civil के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि आसान होता है, सबसे आसान होता है. So civil students, please make a special note.
Okay, but this year IIT Bombay last year has made the notification that they have said exactly 13 marks. So सबसे पहले तो ये तुम्हारी misconception has gone that non-tech is of 30 marks. Okay, non-tech is 28 marks, 15 marks aptitude fixed, and it was fixed from ever. But guys, last year IIT Bombay has made it fixed that maths will be exactly 13 marks. So many videos you will be listening at 15 marks, absolutely wrong. From official notification, you can see it is of 13 marks now, and 15 plus 13, 28, guys. And 25 plus marks we are telling you to get. Guys, see. Guys, suppose Rakesh sir is taking the same session in electronics or electrical then he is not saying 25 plus there. I guess, sir, that time you were saying 23, na?
In the ECEE session, I told 23 is my cutoff because थोड़ा सा better questions आता है maths में. Aptitude level is same for all branch, easy.
Yes.
Maths middle level is better than ECE level.
Because sir, आप में signals वगैरह में भी maths use होता है ना?
Yes. हमारे बहुत सारे subjects में maths use होता है, बहुत सारे subjects में.
In our civil engineering, sir, whatever in 12th class differentiation calculation, that is totally fine. उसके 4 year Laplace का बहुत ज़्यादा आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ता है.
Right.
So okay, so 25 plus guys seeing civil. Suppose same session we are taking in electronics, we are not saying 25 plus here. Here it is achievable. And let me tell you guys, when I was in 2012, got 164 rank, I got 30 marks out. That time it was of 15 marks maths come. So 30 out of 30. And how I know 30 out of 30? By checking the answer sheet. Okay, that time some institutes are giving the answer, that I know. So I was not very sound in technical that time, but my maths and aptitude was always fine. And most इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स वाला तो इतना नहीं, लेकिन हाँ 12th वाला मैथ्स काफी अच्छा था. ओके, 100 में 100 आए हैं बोर्ड में, ओलंपियाड में 36 रैंक आया है. थोड़ा मार्केटिंग भी करना होता है सर बीच में. वाकई में रियलिटी में आया भाई.
नहीं, बहुत फैंटास्टिक.
Okay, now guys, 25 plus sir has told you. Okay, non-tech part. Now my responsibility is giving you more 50 marks, and those 50 marks are not random. मैं random नहीं बताने वाला हूँ guys. Complete research has been done. So part A non-tech 25 plus we have got.
And okay, sir, one more thing I want to add here. and then
Yes, sir.
आप पूरा इसको टेक्निकल में ले जाइए. So you know one important part of the maths and aptitude, which is common in maths aptitude, जहाँ रखो तो एक स्टूडेंट्स को इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता हूँ that there is a special series of permutation and combination. अगर किसी को डिफिकल्टी होता है, प्रोबेबिलिटी में मुझे पता है सबको डिफिकल्टी होता है, प्रोबेबिलिटी में डिफिकल्टी इसलिए होता है because we are not good in the permutation and combination also. So one special series of permutation and combination I am starting from the Tuesday on the YouTube. So if you are interested, you can join that daily 10:30 p.m. YouTube पे daily 10:30 होगा. So one of the important question हम वहीं पे कवर कर लेंगे full detail में. Yes, Abhinav sir.
Okay. So 25 plus sir has told. Now it's my responsibility to make it 75 plus. So let us see that jump from 25 plus to 75 plus. But guys, that jump will not be sudden. We'll be going in parts and parts, that jump. Okay, guys. Now after the non-technical part, I have divided the subjects in scoring part B as scoring subjects. Survey, hydrology, highway, PERT, CPM, OCF are very scoring subjects, guys. Now, what is my criteria to tell any subject very scoring? I say a subject to be scoring, guys, when syllabus is comparatively less, and guys, weightage from that is almost good. Good means irrespective of syllabus by unitary method. I'm not saying that weightage is 15 marks. Guys, survey is around coming in exam around almost 4 to 5 marks. Hydrology is coming 3 to 4 marks. Highway and transportation is coming around from last 3-4 years. The weightage of transportation has been increased. From previous year, the highway was 3-4 years back. Highway was only coming around 4 marks, 5 marks. But from last 4 years, it is around 7 to 9 marks. Guys, if any book you are seeing that average marks of transportation is 5 to 6, that is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong in not in calculation, because they are taking average from last 20 or 25 years. But guys, last 5 years average is more reliable to us and more fruitful for us. So PERT CPM building material is around, guys, 2 marks at most, and OCF is around 3 to 4 marks. So if I say from here, guys, everybody from these 22 marks on an average, I'm just saying these are very scoring, very less syllabus, guys. That's why from the 22 marks from here, I am saying you that you can get, my friends, at least 15 marks, 15 plus. Guys, that is very less, very less. 15 plus out of, guys, around these subjects will be carrying 25 to 22 marks. I'm just saying 15 plus, guys. You are very capable of doing this. Surveying, yaar. Surveying, 90% questions will be coming from 3 topics. Those 3 topics are compass surveying, leveling, and, my friends, traversing. 90% questions will be coming from there. So from these 25 marks or 22 marks, I'm just saying 15 plus. So 25 plus, sir has told. Now I added 15 plus. So it is, guys, 40 plus. So we have reached to 40 plus. So I'm not directly jumping to 75 plus, but I am coming to 40 plus. Okay. So 25 plus in non-tech, then 15 plus, guys. And guys, I have taken a very high safety factor of safety. Guys, many students who are not very good ranker, they are getting 3,000 rank, 5,000 rank, they are also scoring more than 15 plus. But on a lenient side, I'm just going to go for 15 plus marks here. Now the subjects, part C, challenging subjects. Now what is my criteria for scoring subjects? Syllabus is less, it is easier, and easy questions and predetermined questions can be coming from here. Now, what is my criteria to saying a subject to be challenging subject? Challenging means the syllabus is little bit on a vaster side, and the question that is coming from here might be sometimes typical. Guys, 90% time, the question that are coming from survey, hydrology, highway, PERT, CPM, OCF is almost straightforward. Guys, I'm not Rajnikant to be very sure about this, but most of the times, guys, this is almost simple questions. The examiner will be throwing you very simple questions from surveying. Declination, local direction, वही घिसा पिटा सवाल पूछना है उसको. Leveling का भी वही पूछना है. Hydrology, fire index, W index, risk reliability और hydrograph वही question पूछना है उसको. Highway also, guys, geometric design and traffic engineering, PERT, CPM, OCF, they are throwing very simple, and guys, limited concepts are there, so you can easily score more than 20, but I'm on safer side, 15 plus. Now, guys, what are the challenging subjects? Syllabus is vast, and the question that is coming from here might be a tricky one as well. The question that is coming from there might be tricky, because sometimes the question from soil mechanics comes very tricky, from environmental as well, from RCC as well. And guys, there are not limited concepts like surveying. Surveying 3 concepts, questions will be coming from there. RCC, there are so many concepts. Fluid mechanics, there are so many concepts, guys. Okay, same with steel, because most of the students are only studying plastic, but sometimes they are asking the questions from connection as well. So guys, these are vast syllabus, and on top of that, guys, the questions are not predetermined. Sometimes they are throwing a very typical questions. And guys, if I talk about weightage of environmental engineering, guys, so weightage of environmental engineering is always on higher side, around 13 to 16 marks. Okay, 13 to 16 marks. Okay, RCC is 5 to 7 marks, including pre-stress. Soil mechanics, environmental engineering, it is around 14 to 16 marks. Okay, fluid mechanics, guys, it is around, for civil engineering, not mechanical. For civil, guys, it is around, into plus including OCF, it is 9 marks, but OCF I already counted here, so I'm not counting here. So only fluid mechanics except OCF is 5 to 6 marks, and steel is even lesser side, irrespective of the syllabus. Steel syllabus is little bit on higher side, but it is only coming of 3 marks. So if I see these subjects up to now, where, let me tell you the story, those who have just joined, let me tell you the story in brief. Rakesh sir has gotten 25 plus marks out of 28. In engineering, mathematics, aptitude, total is 28 marks. Rakesh sir had told you 25. Then 15 plus in these. In these, out of 22 to 25 marks, I'm saying you 15 plus. So 25 plus 50, 40. Till now, we have reached up to 40. Now going further, guys. Out of these 40, these are the challenging subjects. Challenging subjects means vast syllabus, and sometimes they are throwing the typical questions from there. Okay, so out of these various, guys, around, they will be, my friends, just count the total weightage. Let me take it on 15. Let me take it 5, 20. Let me take it 15, 35, 40. Out of this 45 marks, guys, as they are challenging subjects, guys, I'm only, up to now, how much we have reached? We have reached up to 40 marks, guys, very easily, smoothly. Now, my friends, out of these 45, I'm just telling you to get at least only 50%. If more, it is totally fine. If you are going for more, totally fine, guys. So just 50%, like 20 to 23 marks, let us say 23, only 50%. That means even a student who is going 50% of these syllabus, that is also capable of doing that. So 23 plus 45, up to now where we have reached, just tell me on the comment box, guys. Everybody, 25 plus Rakesh sir has told in maths and aptitude, then 15 plus in these subjects. I have told you 15 plus, so it is 40 plus, then 23, it is 63 plus, guys, 63 plus in these subjects. And guys, there are much more subjects remaining as well. Like irrigation, structural analysis, guys. Okay, structural analysis are only coming to 3 to 4 marks. Then irrigation is there, guys. So these are the strength of material. Strength of material, guys, somebody is taking it very easily, somebody is taking very hard, it's coming to 6 to 8 marks. 6 to 8 marks, strength of material. Lesser side, I am taking this. Irrigation is 3 marks, 3 to 4. Structural analysis, subject is very big, very important. Subject, structural analysis still has some common. They are twins. Why they are twins? Because they are having vast syllabus, but weightage in GATE is less. Weightage in engineering service is more, but GATE is less. So guys, this is also structural analysis. I have not counted till now. Building material, I have not counted till now. Guys, strength of material, I have not taken. Everybody's champion in strength of material. I have not counted in one. So guys, among these subjects which are not in easy, not in hard subjects, guys, I'm telling you that at least 12 marks you are getting. So 12 marks, these strength of materials, irrigation, all this. So you're contender of more than 75 plus, guys. And remember, in this 75 plus, in these heavy subjects, guys, I'm only talking about 50%, guys. Only 50%. In these heavy subjects, only 50% you are going to 75 plus, including those subjects which are not here in scoring, which are not telling you they are midway, like SOM, guys, I can say as a scoring subject, but sometimes the question comes a little bit typical. Although from last 2-3 years, questions are coming on the easier side, but still I've taken on a moderate side. So 12 plus in SOM, irrigation, all building material, all those subjects, you can easily go for 75 plus marks. Over to Rakesh, sir. Everybody, are you agreeing with me or not? Everybody tell me on comment box. लाओगे कि नहीं लाओगे 75 plus marks? Again, I'm telling you guys, just let me tell you. Let me tell you. Out of 28 in non-technical, 25 plus scoring subjects. Guys, I'm saying only hydrology, surveying, and OCF, these subjects, guys, 15 plus. And then tough subjects like environmental, soil mechanics, these subjects, I'm going for 50%, just 50%, 23. So how much is this, guys? 40, and this is, my friends, 25 and 15 was 40. This is 63. That's 12 marks extra in subjects like irrigation, building material, and so on. That is quite easable. Are you having a motivation? Are you having the path to achieve this? Please let me know on the comment box. And now Rakesh sir will be adding more. How to get this? What are the number of hours? Many students ask, what is the number of hours? Day or night study, sir? These are the things, guys. And much more things to how to achieve this. Over to you, sir.
So guys, it is definitely possible. That's why we are here. But the problem with students is they will be so much of motivated कि Abhinav sir ने civil का एक पूरा road map एक होता है ना, blueprint is ready. This much I have to get. बहुत motivation आ रहा होगा अभी, extremely high. Okay, you'll just take up, collect all your notes, start studying from tomorrow. आज का दिन छोड़ देते हैं. Okay, maybe you will feel that I just want to study, maybe not sleep. I will sleep only for 3 hours, 4 hours. That is sufficient. But only one passion, that is the gate. Okay, one passion, that is the gate. भले खाएंगे नहीं, पिएंगे नहीं, कभी-कभी इतना जोश आ जाता है. Okay. But whether that josh is continued or not, is it wise to sleep only 3 to 4 hours? Many people keep on asking how much hours to sleep, how much hours to study. I was also a college student. एक और मैं student का comment देख रहा था. Kushal was asking regarding the final year. Whether it is possible to get the 75 plus with the final year. See, Kushal, the only thing is I will tell you, of course, you will have placements and projects work. Every student will have it. But ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आज तक college students ने success नहीं लाया है. In fact, Gate 21 also you see many final year students are the toppers. I was a topper in 3rd year. Abhinav sir ने college के साथ किया था. So guys, let me tell you one simple thing. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि college students have never cracked the gate. In fact, they have topped the gate examination. So this project, training, assignments, will be with everyone. Only thing is priority. Okay, we are not able to fix the priority. Why I succeeded with college? Because my only priority was gate. Even if I am going to the college, now attendance किसके college में जरूरी नहीं होता. People say that 75% attendance, how I will crack the gate. Even I had the 75% to be fulfilled. Okay, so while even I'm going to the college now, I will take some handouts, I will take some small notes. I will sit on the last bench. My priority. अब आप सोचोगे कि नहीं कॉलेज में फर्स्ट बेंच पे भी बैठना है, 99% कॉलेज में भी लाना है, and then गेट को भी टॉप करना है. Not possible. Then भूल जाओ, was impossible. So whether are you able to set the priority? My priority was gate. Even if I get the less percentage in that particular semester, no issues. Okay, no issues. Okay, but I will go to the class. I will sit at the back. Okay, I will take रहेगी college की book, but in between I will have my gate material, gate notes, and I will keep practicing. Who is going to check in engineering college? इतना तो शायद इतना strict तो कहीं नहीं होता होगा engineering में. If there is some 1 or 2% exception, then I don't know. But इतना तो आप manage कर सकते हो within the engineering. 75% means around 75% attendance sufficient है. ठीक है, extra 25 नहीं जाना है, घर पे बैठ के पढ़ाई करनी है. Okay, if friends are calling at the random time, I don't have to go out. Yeah, I have a fixed 30 minutes, 40 minutes of schedule of enjoyment, but not randomly. कि यार जब भी दोस्त, क्योंकि दोस्त के फोन तो आते ही रहेंगे फिर. Okay, जब भी फोन आया बाहर चले गए, गाड़ी उठाई बाहर चले गए. No, I have my fixed time. I will give my time 30 minutes, 40 minutes to enjoyment, to my friends and all. Okay, but according to my convenience, according to my fixed routine, not like कि कभी भी. So the problem is कि at the very beginning, consistency सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Abhinav sir, next slide please.
Okay.
देखो what is the problem with most of the students ना कि ये सेशन सुन के इतना जोश आ जाता है कभी-कभी कि बस कल से ही शेड्यूल बना लिया, and maybe you are studying 15 hours 20 hours a day and you want to एक ही दिन में सॉम भी पढ़ना चाहते हो, एक ही दिन में स्ट्रक्चर भी पढ़ना है. in one single day you have to study irrigation, maths and aptitude भी 25 राकेश सर ने बोला है वो भी एक ही दिन में लेके आ जाना है. So you will be there with a pile of books and you want to do everything. मतलब you want to take a step very fast. Okay, but it does not happen in the exam like GATE. It is not a short duration exam. Okay, you have to show your consistency. थोड़ा पढ़ना शुरू करो. People ask me how many hours. If I tell you 10 hours, 12 hours, beginners को मैं बोल दूंगा ना, they will collapse. My answer is, in the beginning, study 4 hours. अगर आप beginning में 4 hours भी maintain कर रहे हो, beginning, more than enough. 1 month study 4 hours, next month make it 5 hours. Okay, next month make it 5 hours. ठीक है, 2 महीने केवल 5-5 घंटे पढ़ो. Okay, then next 2 months, after 2 months make it 6 hours. Okay, increase it gradually. When you are there at the October, November, December months, automatically that graph ना AP की तरह भी आप बढ़ाओगे ना, arithmetic progression की तरह, you are going to reach the 10-12 hours target. But right now, if I start sending कि कल से 10 घंटे पढ़ने बैठ जाओ, you will study 10 hours, you will go very fast, but then the result उतनी जल्दी गिरने भी लगोगे. Maybe your जोश is very high for the 1 or 2 months. Okay, वो highest जोश कब चाहिए? In the last 2 to 3 months. Keep it safe for the last 2-3 months. Go step by step. Okay, of course, minimum 4 hours is the beginning. Even if you're a beginner, minimum 4 hours you should spend. उससे कम तो compromise नहीं कर सकते हम. Okay, but I don't suggest immediately 10 hours. Have a nice sleep. Even my approximate sleeping time was 6 to 7 hours. Okay, अब exact तो नहीं बोल सकता. Sometimes 6.5, sometimes 7 भी होता था. On an average, I will also during my gate preparation will sleep for 6 to 7 hours. I will enjoy my food. ठीक है. I will sit with my friends for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, मैं सब कुछ करूंगा. कॉलेज भी था मेरा. Okay, तो सब कुछ करते हुए ही गेट की रैंक मैं नहीं, बहुत लोग लाए. Okay, don't generalize me, but many people have done it. Okay, so 6 to 7 hours of sleep also you should mention. Some students will forget the sleep. They will sleep for 3 to 4 hours. This is a machine. Okay, this needs petrol. This needs refreshment. If you don't give it a refreshment ना, आप पढ़ते तो जाओगे. ऐसा नहीं कि 4 घंटे सो के आप नहीं जागोगे, आप जाग लोगे. You will be awake, you will be, आप जिंदा भी रहोगे. But is it actually effective? No. So guys, you have to do smart and active, effective study. Not anything कि बस बैठे हुए किताब के सामने, you are not getting anything. No. Step by step, go forward. Have your nice sleep as well. Now, that 6 to 7 hours, whether you want to sleep in the night only or you want to divide between night and afternoon, that is your call. Whatever you feel like. ठीक है, लेकिन 6 से 7 घंटा सोना है. Minimum 4 hours you have to start. Okay, if you are a dropper already, if you are a pass out watching this video, then for you minimum time right now should be 7 to 8 hours straight away. क्योंकि आपको ना कॉलेज है ना कोई और दुनिया भर की चीज में, you should have the more pressure because you are pass out. So your minimum time is 7 to 8 hours. धीरे धीरे increase करो. Towards the end, when you are there in the last 2 months, then you will automatically feel, आपको किसी से पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा. मैंने कभी किसी से नहीं पूछा कितना घंटे पढ़ते हैं. Last 3 months automatically I felt I am studying 12 to 14 hours. पता भी नहीं चलता था. I was not feeling the heat. I was enjoying because I was into the revision phase. Revision phase में निकाल लोगे at that time. Okay, but when you are studying for the first time, no, of course there is a pressure of technical also. इतना सब कुछ समझना भी है, तो lots of pressure is there. Okay, so automatically the time will gradually increase. So one suggestion: go step by step up. Otherwise, नीचे भी तेजी से गिरोगे. ठीक है, हमें गिरना तो है ही नहीं. हमें step by step सिर्फ ऊपर जाना है. गिरना बिल्कुल नहीं है. Step by step, one by one. Abhinav sir, over to you.
Okay, so guys, sir has told you आपको step by step चलना है. See what happens with most of the students, guys. Now I'm keeping my energy aside. See what is the student. Just I'm telling you this like you are my friend. Okay, so not much energy like this. Simple. See what happens with most of the students, that they are not very consistent. They are not very hardworking, and then they see videos like this. And from the next very day, they have an ambition to start working or studying 8 hours or 9 hours a day. That is quite impossible except Rajnikant. So guys, in a huge transition will never be coming in your study life, guys. Everything is a gradual, और जो gradual से वो ईंट से ईंट बढ़ा के ऊपर बढ़ता है ना, वही उस शिखर पर स्टेबल भी हो पाता है. बहुत जल्दी से तुम बिल्डिंग बना दोगे ना, if you are making a structure very quick, guys, then it will not be very, very stable. So those students who are going step by step, making a brick, and going above, guys, they have the power to be at the top for the most of the time, guys. So always construct your inning, construct your strategy in a step-by-step process. And guys, there are 2 GIFs. Okay, everybody, are you agreeing with me or not? Let me know in the comment box, guys. I will be taking your doubts as well. See, this is a GIF, guys. Okay, so you have to be, when suppose first of all, a disclaimer from my side, guys. A disclaimer from my side, guys, that the GATE exam, ESC exam, or any other exam is not a 100-meter race. It is a complete marathon. Okay, that is from my side. Now, okay, so guys, see, this is a marathon, guys. And this person has done a tremendous amount of big jump at the end. Okay, guys, yes, you have to do this. But before that, you have to be coming in that much position now कि उस पोजीशन पे आओ कि जंप लगा पाओ दोस्तों, उस पोजीशन में तो आना पड़ेगा। सपोज दिस पर्सन, ये आदमी, ये व्हाइट बैंड वाला, इससे 100 मीटर बैक रहता, तब ये जंप लगा के फायदा हो पाता। सो इफ समबडी हैज अ थॉट लाइक दिस, that at the month of December or January, he will be doing a chalang, a jump like this. It is only possible for those candidates who are in the race, who are in that contender position of getting the top ranks like these two. Only for them the jump will be taking benefited. And guys, at the end you have to take jump, okay, but you have not to be very relaxed like that. बैठना तभी है, चुप बैठना तभी है जब अपनी मंजिल पालो दोस्तों। मंजिल से पहले ऐसे रिलैक्स नहीं होना है, क्योंकि ये कोई 10 बच्चे या 20 बच्चे एग्जाम नहीं दे रहे हैं। Many contenders are there, many people are there guys. You are not having a single time to be relaxed like this guys. Don't be relaxed, because once you are relaxing, many other people are there guys who will be taking their seats. Guys, see, one more thing, 1 lakh around 20,000 people are giving exam in GATE. But let me tell you very, very clearly, the real competition is only among 5,000 students, because there are only 5,000 students who are covering more than 90% of their syllabus. There are only 5,000 students who have given at least few amount of mock tests. There are only 5,000 people who have done at least once or twice a revision. So these are the real contenders. Guys, the 1,20,000 people are filling the form, sitting in the exam. But rank yahan se nikalni hai, because they have completed 90% of their syllabus. They have attempted few mock tests. They have done at least 1 or 2 revision. So is 5,000 mein aana is your first target up to your December month. First target should be coming in this 5,000 rank. The target should be coming in this. Guys, the target should be coming in this range. Okay, so that after December, you can be doing the jump like this and getting an All India rank 9 like Rakesh sir. Ye dekho, Rakesh sir hai All India rank 9. Ye main hu All India rank 164. Okay, so you have to be like All India rank 9 like Rakesh sir, guys. Okay, and ye batane ye batane kaun hai? Okay, so these might be some other person. Okay, some other channel.
I know sir who that person is. I cannot reveal the name, but I know अपने जान पहचान में ऐसे मैं लोग को जानता हूँ अपने कॉलेज से कि they were actually, the real story sir, they were actually preparing with me, but suddenly sir what happened last month में पता नहीं, बस जोश ठंडा हो गया. Very brilliant student, very sharp. हो सकता है मेरे से ज़्यादा sharp brain बोलो. Last month पता नहीं उसकी इच्छा खत्म हो गई. He gave up. Yeah, he had some other plans. Last में he gave up. Not good rank. तब भी अच्छा rank था. मतलब around 500-600 rank, which is very good for many students. It is very good rank. Okay, but उसके caliber के हिसाब से it was not good because he gave up in the last. So there are instances like this, guys. Okay, so please do take care. If you are spending 1 year, 8 months, whatever it is, giving up at the last, it's just wastage of that 1 year. So don't give up at the last. But first, पहले वो last तक पहुँचो, वहाँ तक पहुँचो. Okay, and that is only possible by step efforts. मैंने बोला ना, थोड़ा पढ़ो, 4 घंटे पढ़ो, 5 घंटे पढ़ो, but make you go up to that point.
Okay, and friends, see, we are not saying you, not me, not Rakesh sir, not any other faculty in the grade up. We are not saying that go sleep, eat, and then study. Then go sleep, eat, and then study. Go eat and sleep and then study. We are not saying that. Guys, you are in a beautiful phase of your life. When me and Rakesh sir at the college life, guys, we are thinking koi job lag jaye, rank aa jaye. Of course, when we have not given the GATE exam. Guys, but now also, guys, we are even having the thing like sometimes we talk in the night, like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. or late night calls, guys. Then we always remember those days. Of course, me and he are not from the same college, but just as a friend, we can talk. So guys, of course, you just don't have to study like this 24 hours. Suppose 7 hours you are doing sleeping. So I'm not saying that for remaining 17 hours you have to study. No, not like that. Guys, you have to enjoy the journey as well, because you are in beautiful phase of your life. And guys, when we are in your phase, we are not knowing that was the beautiful phase of our life. Guys, अभी ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरी बीवी मारती है मेरे को. Okay, I'm not saying this, guys. It is also beautiful, guys. But at that time also very, very beautiful, guys. So you are not enjoying this. You are taking the pressure. You have to enjoy the journey as well. Not only taking the pressure, studying and quitting the friendships. Not online like that. You have to enjoy the journey as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Same things are like, when I was in IIC Bangalore, So that time, I used to feel a lot of pressure because, in a college, my graduation was from NIT Bhopal. So बहुत ज़्यादा load नहीं होता था NIT Bhopal में. Even there was no practical load. आसानी से एग्जाम हो जाते थे. But ISC suddenly a different culture. Okay, difficult exams, every exam with practical, every subject with some practical work, laboratory work, assignments, everything. Okay, and then students, all competitive. मतलब मैं 9th rank था तो मेरे साथ मेरी branch में All India rank 1 and 3 both were there in my branch. All India rank 1, 3, 7. 9 and 12 ये हमारे माइक्रो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में टॉप 5 में थे. सो सी द कंपटीशन देयर. सो आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग द हीट. ठीक है, तब मुझे लगता था कितना प्रेशर हो रहा है, मतलब बहुत हो रहा है. लेकिन व्हेन आई कम एंड रियलाइज टुडे ना, दैट वाज दैट बैंगलोर जर्नी वाज वन ऑफ माय बेस्ट मोमेंट्स ऑफ माय लाइफ. ओके, सो गाइस, आप जो कर रहे हो ना, ये आपका बेस्ट मोमेंट है. डोंट फील द हीट अ लॉट. हीट सबको फील होगा, बट आल्सो डू एंजॉय द जर्नी. ओके, जब आज से 8-10 साल बाद कभी हमारे जैसे मे बी not like a teacher, but maybe you are in some corporate or maybe you are in some public sector, BHEL में हो, कहीं ADM बन गए हो, या you are in railways, wherever you are. Okay, but you might be realizing that, yeah, when I was preparing, when I was in college, it was actually my wonderful phase of life. So don't miss that. Okay.
Okay. So my friends, now many students are having a thing like that, how many hours they have to study. Okay, 3 hours, 4 hours. Okay, sir has told that at least 4 hours should be there. Okay, 4 hours should be
minimum 4 hai, gradually increase.
Okay, and you have to study in daytime or night time, guys. There is no answer, guys. If you're comfortable in night time, you can go with the nighttime studies. If you're comfortable in morning time, you can go with morning time studies. But at least guys, few days before the exam, you have to shift your mode into the morning mode. It should not be like that. In GATE exam, suppose exam is on forenoon session and you're sleeping there, or you are feeling sleepy there. So at least 15 to 20 days, if you are a night person, you have to change your time, guys.
Sir, ये जो ऐसा बोलूंगा, when the students get the admit card ना, so civil में तो mostly there are 2 slots. Okay, electronics में तो एक ही slot हो गया, but civil में there will be 2 slots, and some of the students will be having morning, and some of the students will be having afternoon. Okay, and you will get, I think, minimum at least worst case में 1 महीने के अंदर तो एडमिट कार्ड मिल जाता है आपको. You have 1 month more time. Okay, उससे ज्यादा भी टाइम होता है, to be honest, but let's take worst case 1 month. So last 1 month should be according to your allotted time. Okay, and not only your sleeping time, but let me tell you, last में when you are giving the mock test now, suppose you have the afternoon 3 to 6 p.m. slot in the examination. Okay, तो practice your mock test in the 3 to 6, क्योंकि कई लोग को होता है दिन में बहुत सोने का आदत होता है. Maybe if you are not sleeping also, you are studying, but पढ़ते पढ़ते नींद आ रही है. अगर ऐसा गेट में हो गया, then what you are going to do? You are in the gate atmosphere and exam hall and something like this is happening. तो क्या करोगे तब? बोलते बोलते ऐसा हो गया. तो this is the problem कि if you are having that habit of sleeping in the afternoon, so आप जग तो जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं कि आप जगोगे नहीं. This should not happen, and that is only possible when you practice your mock test 3 to 6 fixed time. Okay, भाई जब आप गेट में जाओ ना, आपको 3 से 6 के बीच में, without any refreshment, without any tea, without any coffee, एक भी पलक झपकनी नहीं चाहिए. You should be so fresh that it's morning 7 a.m. That is only possible. ये human ये जो brain है ना, it's all about practicing. Okay, जैसे ढलोगे वैसा ढल जाएगा, but you need to give it a time. Okay, you need to give it a 1 or 2 months time, to adapt to the situations. Okay, so please follow that. ये छोटी मोटी psychological चीजें हैं, ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि 2 बाबा आके बातें कर रहे हैं, but ऐसा नहीं है. GATE examination is not about any competitive exam is not only about your conceptual knowledge, but it's also your mental ability test. इसलिए psychological बातें भी हम लोग करते हैं. जो दिमाग से जीत गया ना, okay, they will also be the toppers of the GATE examination. So please note these facts.
Okay, so guys, how many hours you have to study? 8 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, guys? It should be at least 4 hours. And other than that, I must say that it should be target based. You have to make a target. Suppose December, suppose the remaining days are around 8 months. Suppose I'm saying not 240 days, suppose 220 days. So you have to distribute your 220 days, like 20 days SOM, 30 days is 70 days revision, 60 days, 30 days mock test, like this. So you have to work according to that target. You have given 13 days to SOM, so go for that target, not on the time based. Study should be target based. Now, how many subjects per day? 1 or 2, guys. If you're comfortable in 1, it's absolutely fine. If you're comfortable in 2, guys, then it should be 1 should be heavy driver subject and 1 should be light. Okay, it should not be like that one day you are studying SOM and FM together. SOM with hydrology, fluid mechanics with PERT CPM, environmental science with OCF, like this you can go. Okay, otherwise if you're not getting bored, then one subject at a time is also absolutely fine, guys. Then shall we conclude it, sir, now?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay, guys, this is the mega mock challenge. You can give your performance here and check your performance on the all India level. Okay, guys, 11:15 p.m. today Vaibhav sir is having session on this Get Up Civil Champions Fluid Mechanics. You can see this. And 10 a.m. guys, app, my series is going on. Like tomorrow Ansari sir will be coming and day after tomorrow I will be coming. That is alternate days. Okay, 10 a.m. on app. Okay, that is the series. And Rakesh sir, your series of is 10:30 p.m. on app, na?
No, that is YouTube only.
Okay, YouTube. 10:30 p.m. on YouTube, and probability will be there.
Starting from Tuesday.
Starting from Tuesday. Probability will be
permutations combination.
Okay, counting of numbers, permutation combination. 25 plus एकदम.
Everything.
जो भी मेरे सिविल के बच्चे हैं ना, 25 plus एकदम सर के पीछे पड़ जाना. कि सर दिलाओ, एकदम YouTube पे आना ही है, सर का क्लास लगा के देखना ही है.
मैंने बच्चों को ऑलरेडी कल के सेशन में प्रॉमिस किया है. If the student show me the interest in the PNC series, first master in permutation combination, then probability is my next promise. But I want to see the dedication. अगर आप पढ़ने आओगे तब तो मुझे पढ़ाने में मजा आएगा. तो guys, if you show me the regularity permutation combination, 6 classes हैं, approximately 1 hour daily, अच्छे से कवर करेंगे जितना गेट ESE किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए. And if you are really interested, your attendance will tell me. Next probability भी मैं आपको पूरा करा दूंगा YouTube.
Okay. So guys, 11:15 p.m. YT today, Civil Champions Vaibhav sir. 10 a.m. app. Me and Ansari sir are taking a perfect revision series. Alternate days. Tomorrow Ansari sir will be coming. Day after tomorrow me, like this. And 10:30 p.m. from Tuesday, Rakesh sir will be teaching you from starting from permutation combination. Okay. So these are mega mock challenge. You can give your performance on the all India level with Grade Up Super. You can enjoy all the courses that are running on Grade Up app. Any batch, any course, guys, PDFs will be there, quizzes will be there, along with the test series. So one Grade Up Super, life will be jingalala. Guys, and in this pandemic situation, Grade Up is giving 50% discount, Hope 50. You have to apply the code Hope 50% discount on the super subscription, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe the video with the channel, guys. Share it with your more friends so that maximum people can get benefited. More than 10 plus students can have got all India rank. Less than 10 in Grade Up, you can be one of them, guys. And you can join me on the Telegram channel Civil by Abhinav sir. Civil by Abhinav sir. You can join me on this Telegram channel and ask your doubt. Telegram. Okay. So guys, in the comment box, you can ask any more question related to this. So we'll be very, very happy to announce you there any of your query. So Grade Up के साथ सही prep है तो
life set है.
Thank you everybody. Please comment में you can ask your doubts. I'll be happy to there, or you can ask me here, Civil by Abhinav sir. Thank you.